Welcome to the magical pancake quest. Today, we're going to embark on an adventure that takes us through the simple, yet delightful process of making the perfect pancakes. You may be wondering, what's the secret behind those fluffy, golden treasures? Well, I'm about to reveal that to you, step by step, with a bit of magic along the way. First, we gather our ingredients. Now, we don't need a lot, but what we do need is quality. Flour is our trusty foundation, the building block of every great pancake. Then there's baking powder. Think of it as the magic dust that makes our pancakes rise and stay light and fluffy. Don't forget the eggs. They're the heart of our pancake journey, adding richness and helping everything come together. And finally, milk, the smooth elixir that brings all our ingredients into perfect harmony. Once we have everything, it's time to start mixing. We begin by sifting the flour and baking powder together. The soft flow of the flour through the sifter feels almost like a spell being cast, setting the stage for what's to come. When they're mixed, it's time for the wet ingredients, the magic elixir. In a separate bowl, crack the eggs and pour in the milk. Watch as they combine and become one, like two worlds coming together in perfect balance. Now it's time for the most exciting part, the grand merger. Gently, we fold the wet ingredients into the dry. You don't want to overdo it here. Just mix until everything is blended, and suddenly, you'll see the batter form before your eyes. It's like watching the magic take shape. With the batter ready, we move to the cooking stage. Heat up your pan, and get ready for the real magic to happen. Pour a little batter into the pan, and watch as the pancake starts to take shape. It's in this moment, as the bubbles begin to form on top, that you know the pancake is almost ready for its flip. Wait for the golden edges to appear before you take the leap and flip it over. The flip is crucial. It's the final test of your pancake making skill, and it's always worth the challenge. And just like that, the pancake is done. Golden and fluffy, ready to be served. Stack them high on your plate and add your favorite toppings. Maybe a drizzle of syrup, a few berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. The quest may have come to an end, but the flavor adventure is just beginning. I hope you enjoyed this magical journey with me today. Making pancakes doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. It can be fun and simple, with a little bit of magic along the way. Try it yourself, and let me know how your pancake quest turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your pancake adventures. I can't wait to hear from you.